I beta tested the X2 Mini. I want to express my sincere gratitude to Mr. Bailong Mama. So, this is our brand new X2 Mini, the device we're talking about. The screen is absolutely stunning, and the tactile feel of the buttons is incredibly comfortable to use. Regarding the weight, I actually don't perceive it as being heavier than the A-Pack. In fact, I find that the grip and overall feel of this device are significantly better in my hand. It feels more natural and comfortable to hold, which makes a big difference during extended use. And then, many friends have expressed concerns about this particular aspect, which I'd like to address. I addressed the smoothing issues, I personally tested it, and at a lower brightness setting, I didn't observe any of those undesirable fish scale patterns that weren't smoothed out. When you turn the brightness all the way down, the screen doesn't turn off. This is the lowest setting now, and I'll turn it back up. The screen, compared to the A-Pack, is significantly more transparent, and the colors are also really good. This unit is an internal test machine, so the handle is still white with no paint. The official version, like the other components, will be black. The slide rails are exceptionally solid, giving a very firm and secure feel when you use them. This ensures a durable and high-quality experience, far exceeding expectations for a device of this size. Alright, that's it for this video. If you want to see anything else, message me and I'll film it for you. It feels great.